Hey y'all, it's your girl Annitra here with Different by Design, where faith and fashion connects. I'm coming to you today with another video. If you are returning to my channel to watch another one of my videos, hey girl, hey. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, make yourself at home, click the like button, subscribe button, notification bell so you can stay tuned for all things faith and fashion. So I am back with another very much impromptu what's in my bag. I just got in the house not too long ago and I had fun making the last one, the Madden Girl quilted denim shoulder bag. I had fun making that one and I said, why not do another one tonight before I come out of the bag. So this is the carry of the day. It is our Marc Jacobs J Marc quilted J Marc shoulder bags. So many parts to this name, but it's our Marc Jacobs bag. It's quilted, it's black, it has silver hardware. It's a good time, okay? As you can see, I have a silver bag chain on her. This bag actually comes with a leather crossbody strap and then a chunky silver chain, but I said no, we're going to play with our Amazon bag chain. And this bag also led to a few discoveries as to what I want to add to my bag and accessories and SOGs collection. And that's the beauty of actually carrying the bags you buy, to not overconsume, but to, like, once you add a bag to your collection, to not just put it on the shelf and let it collect dust, but to actually move into it and enjoy the carry. Now, I've carried this bag multiple times since I've had it, and I don't know why, but today was just really enjoyable. So let me not ramble because y'all know how I do. As you can see, I'm unable to close her because it's a lot going on here. So let me just give you guys, again, raw, real, uncut. It's listen, it is what it is. Y'all want to know what's in my bag? This is how it goes down. So let me, what I need to get is one of those little stands so I can prop the bag up so you can see it, but I'll hold it. First up, we have in this front compartment, we have my glasses and a cleaning cloth. I carry the glasses wrapped in a cleaning cloth because this is the actual case and it does not fit in this bag. We also have paper towel because I'm a winter baby. I am not built for this heat, so I often begin to melt. And it takes, when the faucet starts to run, it takes a while for it to shut off. So I must come prepared. Okay, what else do we have in here? So we have our Coach key case, our 5-ring key case. We have, which I am embarrassed to say this is the first time I've carried it. And we have our Marc Jacobs card holder here. I showed you guys this, was it a birthday unboxing or Christmas? Literally just took the tag off of it today. So wrong. But it's like a snap style wallet. All the cards are on the inside. Yes, Marc Jacobs engraved in silver. It's a good time. I just figured it out today though. It's a good time. All right, we have tissues. We have what's left of my gum. We have part of the Lippy combo today, matte lip gloss and Impassioned. Also a good time, such a pretty color. And I tried to combine it with this Milani Bahama Beige. It was okay. I think I like the lip gloss by itself. We have our brown lip pencil by LA Colors. Let's see here. We have our scent of the day, YSL Mon Paris. So light and airy and fresh and floral. And then we have the matching hand cream. Smells amazing. We have our favorite pens ever. Our AirPods. Let's see, a gum wrapper and some bobby pins. Any other stuff? All right, so inside this slip pocket, we basically just carry around all the stuff that came with the bag when we bought it. The tag, care instructions. As you can see, like the audacity to still have the paper on it. Yes, all the tags, care instructions. So this is the audacity of it not saying what this is, but I'm not gonna. Okay, here it is. The J Marc soft shoulder bag. That's what this is. And then we have some loose change and another bobby pin. Okay, that's what's in this bag. There is no back slip pocket. It's just the front slit and then the back compartment, and that's it. So I'm going to pack everything back in because I haven't decided what I'm carrying tomorrow. And like I said, I've really enjoyed this carry. What I've learned about this bag is I think this bag would be really cute with like the black and silver Coach cherry charm, or a dupe if I could find one. I just looked at the bag today with this thin chain and I was just like, a cherry charm would be super cute. The black cherry charm would be super cute on this bag. So now I kind of want to add that to my collection just because the black and silver is just so luxe to me. Like, I know people love a good black and gold moment, and I do too when it's executed correctly, but black and silver, it will forever be my jam. Like, this bag is just so versatile. And literally, what do you see when you see this? You see the, what is it, the quilted tabby? It definitely reminds me of the quilted tabby. I was at church tonight and I saw a young lady. She was carrying the black quilted tabby in the size 20, and I was just like, it's so little and cute. But if I was to ever invest in a tabby, a quilted tabby, which I probably will not thanks to this, it would have to be the size 26, and I feel like this is like the perfect rival, like the perfect rival for the size 26. So I'm happy I found this first. But yes, it's just something about this black and silver, y'all. Whether it's the Amazon bag chain, or it's the chunky chain strap that came with it, or the black leather crossbody with the silver hardware, it's just a moment, y'all. I enjoy it so much. So yes, I also need to find some more Marc Jacobs SOGs because I feel like he loves silver. He gets silver just as much as I do, and which is why I was so excited when I found this snap wallet that I just carried for the first time, because it had the silver engraving. So I want to find some more SOGs that also have silver, because all of my Marc Jacobs bags have silver hardware. Why? Because he gets it. So yeah, so we are packing everybody up. This camera is fighting me, so I'm going to wrap it up. The only thing that didn't fit were my keys, but I went out at night, so I didn't need them anyway. This cute little notebook that I got from Dollar Tree that I regret only buying one. Also, something else that I'm just starting to use. And then, speaking of this little notebook here, let's also get into this cute little car registration thing that I had to have not used it. I actually bought both of them for my car because I just thought this was so cute together. Yes, had to have both of these. I need to use them more. It's just such a cute combo. But yes, our bag is packed back up. As you can see here, all of our stuff is back in here. That is it, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments below. Click the like button, subscribe, notifications, all the things. Second episode of Iced Coffee Conversations, the Different by Design podcast, dropped today. Check it out. Make sure you check out episodes 1 and 2. Let me know what you think of that. Again, my name is Annitra with Different by Design, where faith and fashion connect. You have a great week.